Picture this: you're driving down the road, minding your own business, when all of a sudden, a semi-truck clips you and causes an accident. It's a nightmare scenario, but unfortunately, it happens all too often. So, what can you do to protect yourself? The answer is simple: get yourself a dashcam. A dashcam is like having your own personal witness to any accident or incident that might occur on the road. With a dashcam, you'll have clear video evidence of what happened, which can be incredibly valuable in the event of an insurance claim or legal dispute. And let's face it, who doesn't love a good legal dispute? With a dashcam, you'll never have to worry about being falsely accused of causing an accident. You'll have the proof you need to defend yourself and clear your name. And if you're ever in a high-speed car chase with the police, you'll have the perfect footage for your very own action movie. But all jokes aside, a dashcam is a smart investment for anyone who spends time on the road. It can provide peace of mind and protection, and it might just save you a lot of money and hassle in the long run. So why not get one today? After all, you never know what might happen on the road. Stay safe out there.